Hi guys, reporting here now live in Ayala Mall. We are here with Hina-chan. Hina, you say hello.
Don't beat.
Eh? Where is Hina? Oh, you're there. Kuya Kaz. So, we are here today because finally, Bacolod is alert level 2 again. So, kids can again enter the mall. So, we will just have lunch here. We will try the newly opened yakiniku restaurant. Unlimited, right? It's
Chinese.
ano, yeah, Chinese unlimited something. So, we will try it. Let's go. So yeah guys, we're now here inside the restaurant. So it's called again Tong Yang. So maybe it's like more on Chinese dishes. Yeah, especially the shabu shabu is the main part here, I guess. And but they also have yakiniku. So I will show you what we got. Kuya Kaz there is still getting something for our shabu shabu. So we have here the noodles, mochi, tofu, I don't know. I have here plain rice. Hina have tempura. Also have sushi rolls. Oh, vegetables. And we have their crab meat and what's that? Shrimp and beef. We first get beef for the yakiniku here. So these are the soup. We ordered the pork soup and spicy mala soup. Yes, and juice. I will get my juice now. So we're done getting all of the foods that we need.
Hungry.
Hungry ka na. Hina will try to eat. What will you eat? Tempura. Can you get tempura? Get one. This one. That's so big. Wow. You like that? Tasty? You say oishi. Let's eat now, guys. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Ina. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh. I see.
This one is chili pepper.
Eh? I forgot what do they. Oh my gosh. 5 plates down. More to go. I will try now the spicy mala soup.
I will get something for her.
Yeah, spicy. Almost sinigang. Curry taste. So hard. The meat is so hard. Sweets for Hina-chan. Wow, fruits, Hina fruits.
Also,
So instead of Papa cars, they will be the one who get ice cream. Thank you so much. Gigi-san is so sweet, sweeter than ice cream. ってこと。Let's check what they got.
Just put one.
Wow, looks oishi. That one is for Hina. Where's mine? Oh my goodness. She didn't get mine, only 2 of you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh.
My chocolate ice cream. Wow. Chocolatey.
So she didn't get. I will also get ice cream. They have chocolate. I will get chocolate. Can I have chocolate? 2 scoop. Thank you. Chocolate. うますぎ。笑った。
Done eating. So we will just pay now the bill. Let's go.
By the way, guys, this is her treat also today. ありがとうございます。
So we're outside the restaurant now and we gonna buy groceries. My opinion, this restaurant is so-so. I really don't recommend it. I guess it's not so worth it, but I guess you should try.
Yeah, but that was tasty.
Yeah, that was tasty. I guess I will also end my vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed watching. So as always, see you on my next video. Bye bye. Sayu bye.
なら。
Kuyakas is floating. No 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 no.